So let's talk about Gemini Learning Mode. Gemini have released a new mode, and Gemini have actually put all of their tools in one place now, down the bottom in the Tools menu. So if you click the Tools menu, you'll see VO, Deep Research, and Canvas I've covered in previous videos. You can check out the training videos in the training section for those, as specific images, tool with image in there. But there's a new one here, Guided Learning. And this is specifically created to help you learn something new. It's been tuned and designed to help you with progressive learning. And how about I say, help me with some basic phrases in Spanish. And let's see how learning approaches this. Now, I did test this out a couple of days ago, and it helped me to see that this is kind of like been tuned to be a bit of a tutor. You can see it's asking me questions to clarify what I would like to learn. I'd like to say hello and goodbye. And I'm not sure if they've got audio enabled for this, but I expect you to just be able to talk to Gemini, and then it will take you through guided learning here. I also expect that it will be able to generate videos on the fly at some point in the future and take you through things. So you can see, all right, cool. Let's start with hello. Let's try hola. All right, cool. That sounds good. And then it asks me another question. Just like in English, there's some things you use for specific times of day. Can you think of what those times might be? Okay, well, morning, afternoon, and evening, and then maybe midnight. Let's see what it's going to say. So it's taking me through a guided learning. Now, I think this is really great for staff training. To be able to send your staff and say, hey, you need to learn this thing, go to Gemini and go learn this thing. You don't have to buy a course. They don't have to sit on YouTube for hours and hours. Someone can have a helping hand guiding them through. And I haven't tested it yet, but I think you could probably say, hey, I'm able to do these really easily. Can you give me a rating on my current knowledge? Let's do that. Oh, it didn't fix the grammar on that one. That's a surprise. Usually it fixes up the grammar when I stutter with flow, but let's do this. Okay, as for a rating, we've just laid the first brick. Oh, that's very nice. That's very nice. So we've just laid the first brick. There we go. Okay, cool. Now let's work on what we've learned. So let's move on. Do you want to jump straight to goodbye? Cool. So that's guided learning. Very cool tool. Thank you, Gemini.
If you liked this video, we've got plenty more on the channel covering this topic and much, much more.